everybody, it's KDOGG MKEYY. I have been woken up by fire alarms going off all morning long. They're doing tests because the fire alarms are too sensitive. They're being set off by even the shower steam out of the shower. They're being set off by people cooking. This is going to be going on all day. I don't know how long it's going to be, but I thought I'd just do a vlog today since I live streamed a couple days in a row. And, well, just wanted to do a vlog. So, this is what I'm going to do today. And it might be a little, easier to go. There you go, guys. There you go. All day long. That's going to go on all day long. So that's another reason I'm going to be not doing a live stream, because that right there, whammo, all day long. So I'll be going outside on the balcony, getting away from this noise. All day. Yay! Love you guys. I'll be back outside on the balcony, away from that noise. Love you. Much love. What's up, everybody? I'm back, and winter has reared its ugly head again. Yep, it's like 40 degrees out here. It's cloudy. It's, overcast. But winter has reared its ugly head yet again. It's cold-ish. It's kinda, one of them, you need a jacket, but I'm not wearing a jacket right now, you guys. I just came from my apartment out here. I won't be out here for only like a minute or two, but I thought you guys would like to see the overcast weather in the church. I always try to get the church in. Yay, nah. I always try to get the church in. I think they're done with the third floor. The fire alarms haven't gone off for a couple minutes. So I thought I'd get this minute in of freedom of not killing my ears. So very nice, very nice. It's like you get 10 minutes of freedom during the times they gotta switch floors and go to a different floor. So yay. This isn't gonna be a very long vlog, I don't think, because I may go live later on this afternoon, maybe this evening. I don't know. We'll figure it out. But I'm gonna throw a vlog in. No matter what, you guys, have a vlog, have a live stream. Have a vlog, have a live stream. I think that's what would be awesome. I'm gonna start trying to do is have a vlog during the morning, have a live stream in the afternoon, evening. I'm gonna try to start doing that more. Try to keep up with it. It's fun. But yeah, it's cloudy, overcast. It's crazy, wintry, sort of winter spring day. I guess, I don't know. I don't get it, but whatever. Alright, guys, I'll be back in a little bit with some more stuff. I don't know what I got planned, but we'll have some more vlogging stuff. Yay! Love you guys. I'll be back in a little bit. Guys, it's 3:45 p.m. Yes, it's 3:45 p.m. Guess what? Finally, silence. Finally, silence. It's been quiet for like 30 minutes, 40 minutes. I think they're done for the day. This 9 o'clock in the morning testing fire alarms till now. They had to go through 110 apartments and test every single one of them in the hallways. They tested all the apartments and hallways today, all freaking day. Well, I didn't go to bed last night at all, so I may just go ahead and say that this is the vlog today. This is the video. I am going to go check my mail. I might have something in the mail. I don't know. I have no idea at all what's going on today. So, I may go check the mail. Oh yeah, I might just do that and see if anything's there. Yeah. I don't know where that voice came from. It's kind of creepy. But I am so happy. I am very happy. I'm sitting here watching Drew Carey on channel 25.2 Laugh. Yeah. It's an aired channel through my converter box and all that, and I got a, antenna and all that crap now. Since I don't have cable, I got Air TV. Yeah. Sitting here watching TV. I'm actually really tired too, so I'm gonna get myself to bed here early tonight. I'll be live streaming tomorrow though, definitely Saturday. Do some silly Saturday live streaming, something like that, do some of that stuff. But today I'm gonna get me some sleep. I'm also getting ready to walk down to the shelter to get me something to eat for supper tonight. Oh yeah, go and get some supper. Hopefully something. I don't know what they're gonna have. No clue. But I'll be back in a little bit. Hopefully I got some mail for you guys to check out. I'll probably do that after I get back from the shelter, if I have anything. If I don't, oh well. I don't care. I don't care. So. Freddy says hi. Yes, Freddy says hi, and all these stickers say hi. Hi! Yeah, see, they said hi. And all those stickers over there on the refrigerator say hi. Hi! Yeah, okay. I'll be back in a little bit, guys. I love you muchly. I'll be back. I'll be back. Well, I'm back, guys. Nothing in the mail, and I was just told by some friends of mine, they're not serving a meal at the shelter I'm going to be going to eat at, so I'm going to go ahead and end this vlog for today. I'm going to bed. I don't care. I'll make it for breakfast in the morning probably, and I'm just going to go from there. So, I've been up for almost 26 hours. So if you guys whoever's live tonight, I'm sorry, but I may not make it. Love you all very, very much. I'm going to go outside for a little bit. Yeah, we're going to go outside, and I'm going to end the vlog from out there. Door's unlocked, thank God. There we go, guys. We're going to end the vlog looking at the church here. I love you guys muchly. I'm going to go to bed. I'm going to get up in the morning and go to the shelter and eat. But for right now, this is KDOGG MKEYY, the Doghouse Report. I'm out of here. I love you guys muchly.